How to create a colourful spiral design such as this in Photoshop. Create a document 1000 by 1000. Once you've done that, edit and go down to Fill, and fill contents set to 50% grey, normal 100%. Click OK. Instead of using edit and then define pattern, you can go to the libraries and you can find that in the window menu, and then go down here to the bottom, the little plus. Click there, extract from image. Might be different wording. So extract from image, then go to patterns, and in patterns, go for the second option. Go for colours, set scale to 1 and 0, and you'll see just a basic grey pattern. Save to CC libraries, so it's stored away in the library. Now it's not a pattern preset at this point, so close this panel, go here, and you can create, that's right click and create pattern preset. You can also apply pattern, but I want create pattern preset. So click that. It's now stored in the patterns. So window and patterns, and you can see it here. There it is. So instead of 1 by 1, if you use the define pattern, you get 1 by 1. In this case, you've got 2048 by 2048. So just close that and now go to edit and fill. And here, instead of 50% grey, go for pattern. And you've got options here. So just go for the pattern you just created. It's that one. Just select it and then go for script and set spiral. In spiral, just click OK. Go for these settings. Now you should get approximately the same result as I get. I'm going with scale 0.13. Ring spacing -62. I know it's odd settings. Also pattern spacing -217. Keep pattern upright, keep that off. Colour randomness, I'm going for 0.89. Brightness randomness, 0.96. And then click OK. And you'll get this design. Lovely spiral design. And of course you can make some variations in the settings as well. You don't need to go exactly with those settings, but those settings should create something like this. Obviously the colour is going to be random, so you will have different colours. And you can create all kinds of spirals, and of course what you can do with that, you can then apply effects, distort it, go to filter, apply all kinds of blurs, pixelation, whatever. Also, if you want to recolour it, go to image menu, adjustments, and maybe go for vibrance or hue and saturation, and then you can change the colour. As you see, just change colour like that, or saturation and lightness, and click OK. If you've got any questions, please let me know in the comments below. A like or dislike, always great. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Always adding new tutorials all the time about Photoshop, Affinity Photo and others. Bye.